So we already crossed that. Kajal, you've been so fantastic over the years, in various industries as well. Earlier, there was a time, where it would be completely different. Things have become so similar now. It's almost like, you walk in from here into that industry as well. But just being part of a large magnum opus, does it still excite you as much when you see yourself on screen?
Good evening, everyone. Of course, it will, I think it is just extremely exciting. It is extremely humbling to be a part of a phenomenal star cast, to be a part of such a huge film. And I don't think it's the number of films you do. I think that excitement will just always remain. And this I can say for everyone as well. I mean, all of us watched the trailer for the first time today, and we were all hooting and whistling and clapping. So,
were you critically looking at it and said, that's a good shot that they put in the trailer there? Were
you know, I have this very bad habit. I'm always critically looking.
But it's okay. But you're looking fantastic. And Satyaraj sir, there's an aura of a gentleman. And it's happened to so many people. I've had people that just suddenly just stop speaking in front of Salman sir. You're in a film which is there, which is going to be larger than life. You're going to walk away, no matter what you do, 200, 300, 400, 500 ऐसे बन जाएंगे. Have you thought about those things? And now that the trailer has been seen by everyone, which is the first time you also saw it, how are you feeling?
I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited. So excited to see all of you all here, and thank you for coming. Working with Salman sir, like you said, there was one scene that I did with him. I can't say much about the film, so I'm not going to get into that. But after every take, I said, Salman sir, sorry. Salman sir, sorry. I don't mean it. I'm sorry.
Were you hitting him?
Huh?
Were you?
No, all that I don't know what I was doing. But at least 5 times I must have joined my hand and said, Salman sir, I don't mean it.
But after that, like, now that you've seen it, have you got that impression of being able to say that, wow, this is there and then hardly a week to go? The butterflies must be through your head right now.
I'm very excited. Yeah. It's literally my second film, and I got the chance to work with Salman sir, Sajid sir, Murgudos sir. It's very special. And when it's a Salman sir film, the guaranteed box office that's in there.